LeadDesk in a minute. Let's have a look at a feature of Socialboards, which is useful if you want to send information which could be considered sensitive in a reply to a ticket. Here we have a ticket already ready for me to reply, and it's assigned to me. I've written my reply, but it contains sensitive information. Instead of clicking on the send button, I'm going to send the reply link. When the customer receives that reply, they receive a message not containing the text of the reply, but a link to it. If they click that link, they'll be taken to a page where they can see the contents of the reply and can continue the conversation securely. Let's look at how we set that up in Socialboards. In the general settings, I go to Security and choose Customer Reply. Here, I have enabled the reply link option, and I've specified how many days a link will remain viable. In addition, I've made sure that the template looks the way that I want it to. This is the default version of the template in English. LeadDesk in a minute.